Markets in the last 1 week have seen a rise of almost 3% both on the Sensex as well as on the Nifty. And this rise has been largely on the back of strong performance from frontline companies like Reliance, Infosys, Bajaj Finance. And to a large extent, our sense is that the market rally has been fueled by a decent amount of liquidity coming in from the FIs. In fact, in the last 8 to 10 days, FIs have pumped in more than 8,000 crores, and that has been the single most factor which has played positively on our markets. On the other hand, the local institutions have been largely net sellers. But despite that, the markets have taken off. In fact, now we are into the earnings season for the quarter one FY21, and initial trends indicate that we could see, performances from the pharma, from the specialty chemicals, and selectively from the rural-oriented sectors to do well. The initial set of numbers which have come from large IT players, engineering companies, clearly indicate that quarter one is going to be a complete washout quarter where earnings recovery is going to be extremely tepid. Our sense is that investors need to take a very cautious view and be invested in sectors which have got the capacity to fight COVID-19 in a very strong way. Some of the sectors which we feel could do well in the coming next 3 to 6 months, specifically in the light of the COVID scenario, could be the gold finance companies, the consumer consumption companies, even pharmaceutical companies. So these companies, I would believe one should keep a close watch here. And specifically, if one were to talk about names, then we are extremely positive on Muthoot and Manappuram Finance. As far as the pharma pack is concerned, we expect frontliners like Sun Pharma, Ajanta Pharma, typically even a Torrent Pharma to do well, because our sense is that whatever management commentary has been stated, plus whatever improvements in the margin improvement are expected, this could get reflected in the quarterly numbers for quarter one FY21. On the macro side, global developments in the coming week are going to be extremely important. In fact, as everyone is aware, the US fiscal stimulus is going to end on 31st July. And there is a very strong possibility that President Trump might announce another fiscal stimulus in the coming week. We believe that this stimulus could be to the extent of another 1.5 to $2 trillion. And if this is announced in the coming week, possibly, which the market is also discounting quite widely, then we could see the rally in Indian markets and other emerging markets continuing at a strong pace, considering the fact that a lot of this liquidity is going to come to the Indian markets, at least in the near term. Our sense is that investors should be careful about investing in those companies which are less leveraged, which have got decent cash on the books, and which have got good cash flows. Overall, our positive stance remains on the pharma, on the specialty chemicals, as well as rural-related themes like Mahindra and Mahindra, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Typically, companies which have got a large rural base, and in this space, we could also include two-wheelers, especially companies like Hero MotoCorp, which I would believe could be significant beneficiaries of the rural spends in the coming quarters. So having said this, friends, this is the overall outlook which we have been telling our investors, and we would definitely be sharing some more stock ideas in the coming week. But as of now, this is, from my side. Thank you very much.